Hey folks, Saksham this side from ACIPM. Now that the result for most of the colleges is out, now is the time where a lot of you ask an important question to us, and that is whether or not to take a drop.
एक्सक्यूज मी,
या
ये फर्स्ट ईयर के एडमिशन की लाइन है।
यस अंकल, आप अपनी बेटी के एडमिशन के लिए आए हो?
देखो, जितना सवाल पूछा उतना जवाब दो। यस और नो?
यस।
थैंक यू।
In this particular video, let's just talk about that and also the flagship Aspire batch that we have launched for droppers, which will be starting from 5th of August. So without any further ado, let's begin. I understand that a lot of you would have given your all in terms of preparation for IPMAT, and as luck would have it, you could not convert any of the IIMs. I totally understand the way you would be feeling right now, but at the same time, this is not the end. IIMs or IPM program sure is a very great option for you, to kickstart your career right after your class 12th, but that is not the only way to make a career in management. If I talk about our students from our 2021 and 2022 batch, what you'd realize is that a lot of them, even though they could not clear IPM, when they were targeting that after their 12th, they're currently sitting in IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta, and they've converted those colleges through CAT. We have students who have started their own ventures and they don't feel the need of getting an MBA education anymore. And there are also students who have already gotten place in companies where MBA students aspire to be in.
चलिए मान लीजिए कि मैं बुरा आदमी, पर आप तो अच्छे हो ना, तो थोड़े अच्छे बनो, एक हफ्ते का टाइम दो, सब सेटल कर देंगे.
Even the students who are a part of our 23 and 24 batch, they are already working on their profiles, they are doing their internships, participating in case competitions and doing everything that is going to make them IIM ready when they decide to give CAT, and they will have their profile sorted. So yes, IPM sure is a very good option, but that is not the only thing that is going to give you a good career in management. And because your plan A has not worked out, let's focus on plan B. Now plan B in this case could be that you take admission in whatever college you are getting an admission in right now. It could be a college in Delhi University, or it could also be a private college. And in that case, you could choose to continue your undergrad over there, or you can choose to take a partial drop, or you can also choose to take a full drop as well. If I talk about, the statistics of droppers, how do they fare well in their examination, I would have to take you, help you understand the result of ACIPM. So before, all this, let me help you understand the result of ACIPM this year. We have had 140 shortlists in IIM Rohtak this year, of which 40 have already converted IIM Rohtak. We have had 105 shortlists in IIM Indore this year, and 25 of them have already converted, including All India Rank 8 and 13 this year. We expect more results to come out as the waitlist moves, but these are the results that we have right now, and this does not include any student who has enrolled for the interview batch only. This is only for the students who have enrolled for our full course. A lot of these students are going to be droppers, and generally, if I talk statistically, the chances of you converting a college is slightly higher as a dropper. Roughly speaking, if I talk about ACIPM, 1 in 4 students are going to make it to any of the IIMs. More so right now because more and more IIMs have come up with the IPM program and the undergrad programs. So about 1,000 plus seats across all the 12 IIMs that are going to offer IPM and UG courses. So in that case, the chances over there is anyway high because of higher number of seats, but even higher for a dropper because आप लोग already 1 साल 2 साल पढ़ के आते हो. You guys already know कि क्या चीजें आपने वहाँ गलत करी हैं अपने पिछले attempt में, and what is it that you need to work on in your subsequent attempt. So in that case, chances तो high होते हैं, but on the flip side, what you need to also understand is कि अगर 4 में से एक बच्चा IIM जा रहा है, तो वो 4 में से बाकी 3 बच्चे IIM नहीं जा रहे हैं. Some of them might be the ones जिन्होंने शायद start तो करा, पूरी motivation में पढ़ाई चालू करी, but towards the end of their preparation, they got saturated, they lost motivation, they lost hope, and they just quit their preparation midway. On the other hand, there would also be students जिन्होंने अपनी पूरी मेहनत डाली होगी, पूरी जान झोंक दी होगी, and उसके बाद भी they could not get into an IIM yet again because IIMs or the admission process in particular is also very unpredictable. Despite putting your best foot forward, there is also a chance that you don't make it to an IIM again next year as well. So you need to consider all of that before actually making a decision of taking a drop or not. अब किन लोगों को drop लेना चाहिए, उसके लिए there are a basic hygiene checks that you need to do. First of all, if in case you are somebody who was very close to getting into an IIM this year, in that case, maybe you can take a drop. शायद आपको interview call आ गया था, but convert नहीं कर पाए. शायद आपका shortlist आ जाता, but कुछ marks से रह गया. शायद आपके पास अभी टाइम बहुत कम था, 1 महीने ही था प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए, यू स्टार्टेड आफ्टर योर बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशंस, एंड इन दैट केस यू स्टिल डिड वेल कंपेयर टू अदर स्टूडेंट्स हु स्टार्टेड देयर प्रिपरेशन अराउंड योर टाइम, एंड यू नो कि अगर मैं 1 महीने में इतना कर सकता हूँ तो 1 साल में तो काफ़ी अच्छा कर सकता हूँ, एक IIM में पहुँच सकता हूँ. If those are the situations that you are in, maybe you can take a drop. Second consideration that comes into picture is your percentage in boards. If, let's say for example, in your class 10th and 12th, you have not scored very well, maybe आपका score less than 80% है, then what you run into the risk of is a lot of these IIMs are going to have certain weightage given to your 10th and 12th scores. अब अगर आपका already वहाँ score इतना अच्छा नहीं है, तो the chances of you getting into these colleges is going to be all the more difficult. Especially in the case of IIM Rohtak, it becomes next to impossible to get admission if in case you have anything less than 80% in your 10th and 12th as a general category student. So in that case, हाँ, there is IIM Indore, there is IIM Bodh Gaya, there is IIM Jammu. ये कॉलेजेस आपके 10-12 के मार्क्स नहीं मांगते हैं, पर क्या आप सिर्फ इन तीनों कॉलेजेस के लिए अपना पूरा प्रिपरेशन कर सकते हैं इन अ वे कि बाकी कॉलेजेस तो आपके पास एनीवे ऑप्शन से चले जाएंगे और ये तीनों में एनीवे सीट्स लिमिटेड होंगी. सो वुड यू take that risk of just preparing for those 2-3 colleges and trying for this exam yet again? So that is a consideration that you will have to take. Third factor to consider is if you are going to be consistent enough. If last year you were not able to get in because of lack of consistency, और अगर आप same चीज इस साल भी कर देते हो, then there is no point wasting your parents' hard-earned money into some course, into the application fee of all these IIMs, because it is not going to be cheap. So in that case, consistency, if it is something which is an issue for you, you need to really make sure कि ठीक है, you are thinking this process through, you understand the pros, the cons, you understand the efforts and commitment that is required from your end, and you are willing to make that commitment. अगर नहीं होता है, same mistakes आप फिर से इस साल repeat कर रहे हो, तो कोई point नहीं. Also, another thing that you need to consider is अगर आपने already 2 साल की बहुत अच्छी preparation करी थी IIMs की और उसके बाद भी you are nowhere close to the cutoffs, in that case maybe you need to take a step back. अगर 2 साल में वो आप उस गैप को ब्रिज नहीं कर पाए, देन आर यू रियली श्योर कि आप अगले 1 साल में वो गैप ब्रिज कर पाओगे या नहीं? हाँ, अगर छोटा गैप है then it is understandable, but if the gap is very big, in that case maybe you need to understand that there are other alternative options as well. You need to first of all complete your UG degree. जब आप UG करेंगे, you will have your learnings from your IPMAT exam. You will also have some more experiences as you do your UG. In that case, maybe you would be a better fit to give CAT examination, where yes, there is more competition, but there are also a lot more seats, so that you can actually make your way to a good B school through that route as well. So after considering all of these things, after considering what were the mistakes that you made during your first attempt for IPMAT, and if you feel like कि ठीक है, ये सारी mistakes जो मैंने करी हैं, ये सारी solvable हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें मैं better करूँगा in my subsequent attempt, is when you take a decision of taking a drop. अब drop के केस में you need to also consider कि partial drop लेना है, full drop लेना है. We as a general thumb rule would always suggest you taking a partial drop. Why? Because see, a full drop is going to be very mentally taxing. आप देखोगे आपके दोस्त इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टोरी डाल रहे हैं, they are partying, they are enjoying their college life, they are going out, they are having fun, and you on the other hand would be sitting alone inside your home, you would be just studying all day and night with no social life. Of course थोड़ा बहुत मैनेज हो जाता है, but you would always have that FOMO कि ठीक है, शायद यार मैं किसी कॉलेज में होता, I would have had that life as well. फिर आपके दिमाग में वो वरी भी आता है कि what if I don't make it in the second year as well, which is also a very real possibility. So all of that put together hampers your preparation, hampers your chances of getting into an IIM, because you don't only have to battle that examination, but you also have to battle that mental blockage that comes of giving this examination again without having any college at hand. So please make sure कि वो चीज़ आप consider कर रहे हैं. Second thing that you need to understand over here is that having a college would always help you in a way कि ठीक है, अगले साल नहीं भी होता है तो आपके पास एटलीस्ट एक डिग्री है जो चल रही है. इवन इफ इट इज IIM Bangalore's ऑनलाइन डिग्री, इट इज फाइन, बट कोई डिग्री चल रही है जो कि आप 3 साल तक कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो. जो 1 साल का आप ड्रॉप यहाँ ले रहे हो, मे बी वो ड्रॉप आप लोगे आफ्टर योर अंडरग्रेड डिग्री, एंड दैट इज व्हेन यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव सम वर्क एक्सपीरियंस, एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू ऐड टू योर प्रोफाइल व्हेन यू आर गिविंग योर MBA एग्जामिनेशंस एंड इंटरव्यूज. सो वो एक कंसिडरेशन रहता है. इन दीज केसेस जनरल थंब रूल, पार्शियल ड्रॉप ही लें. कोई अच्छा कॉलेज मिल रहा है, DU मिल रहा है, वेरी गुड ऑप्शन. आपको कोई और अच्छा कॉलेज मिल रहा है, वेरी गुड ऑप्शन, आप उसके साथ जाएं. बट इफ इन केस यू फील लाइक यार अभी जो कॉलेज मिल रहा है, आई डिजर्व समथिंग रियली बेटर देन दिस, बहुत अच्छा कोई कॉलेज नहीं मिल रहा है, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि यार आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन जो बहुत अच्छे से मल्टीटास्क कर सकता है, बट आई एम ऑल्सो समबडी हु इज गोइंग टू इफ इन केस आई हैव जस्ट वन एंड ओनली वन गोल, अगर मैं उसे बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ूँ, बहुत अच्छे से मेहनत करूँ, आई एम एबल टू क्रैक दैट. सो अगर आप वैसे टाइप के पर्सन हो, सो इन दैट केस मे बी यू कैन ऑल्सो टेक अ फुल ड्रॉप. बट येस, दिस इज अ डिसीजन दैट यू शुड नॉट टेक इन हेस्ट. आपको अच्छे से सोच समझ के डिसीजन लेना चाहिए. एंड इफ इन केस यू डू डिसाइड टू टेक अ drop, then ACE IPM is launching its flagship Aspire batch for droppers, and it is going to start from 5th of August. This batch for the first time is going to be available offline as well. We are going to have a specific offline dropper specific batch. It is going to be a residential program wherein you are going to be with us from 10 a.m. in the morning till 10 p.m. at night, and we are going to make sure that you are cracking IPMAT. And at the same time, अगर आप offline नहीं आ सकते, online programs we have been running for the last 4.5 years. We have expertise in that. We have had the pleasure of sending more than 1,000 students to IIMs. So in that case, you can also join our online courses. Online course के अंदर भी some people always mentioned कि ठीक है, affordability could be an issue. So we are now also launching courses which are at a slightly reduced cost, and they will not include live classes or books. So you have the option to exclude books as well as live classes from your course content. And at the same time, अगर आपने already इस साल IPMAT दिया है, you have scored something, then in that case you can also fill the scholarship form which is available down in the description to get additional discount on top of the course price. That out of the way, let's just talk about the batch that we have. We have been running Aspire batch for the last 2 years, and the results have been amazing. We have had many single-digit rankers who were part of the Aspire batch, who were partial droppers, full droppers, who have made it through. The interviews of them are also available in our last year's videos. You can go ahead and check them as well. And the way this particular course is going to run is that we have 3 key pillars that we work on. First is going to be your conceptual clarity. For that, you have in-depth recorded lectures available on our portal, right from the basics till the very advanced. सारी चीज़ें कवर होती हैं इन वीडियोस के बाद. आपको बाहर जाके YouTube से कहीं से भी कुछ भी देखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. On top of that, to build on that conceptual clarity, आपकी live classes भी होती हैं. Live classes this year, as I mentioned, is optional. If in case you feel like you're consistent enough yourself, live classes की need नहीं है. You can choose to exclude that, but we recommend that you go for it because that helps you build an additional edge over and above other competitors of yours, and also understand things. Practice अच्छे से करने को मिलता है, engagement बढ़ती है, topic थोड़ा better way में समझ आता है. So that part is going to be included. इसके बाद second pillar comes is practice. अब practice की मैं बात करूँ तो आपकी practice live classes में भी हो रही होंगी. लाइव क्लास के बाद भी आपके क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो आपको दिए जाते हैं, उनमें भी हो रही होगी. यू ऑल्सो हैव लेक्चर बेस्ड क्विजेस अवेलेबल इन द कंसेप्चुअल लेक्चर्स देमसेल्फ, वो आपके पास है. आपके पास डेली टास्क, वीकली टास्क, ये सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल हैं. वी विल ऑल्सो बी हैविंग अ मॉक पोर्टल. वी आर रीवैम्पिंग आवर मॉक पोर्टल दिस ईयर, सो यूल हैव बेटर एनालिटिक्स दिस ईयर, बेटर इंटरफेस दिस ईयर, more actual representation of your IPMAT examination. We are already known to have mocks which are close to the actual level of IPMAT, and we are going to build on that this year. So you'll have ample amount of questions to practice from. At the same time, if in case you have any doubt in any particular question, we also have dedicated WhatsApp doubts group available जहाँ हमारी faculty, हमारी सारी team होती है. Any doubt that comes in your mind, academic, non-academic, you can leave it over there and we will solve it at the earliest. Third pillar is going to be the constant support and guidance that you get from our end. So in that case, we offer one-on-one mentorship sessions with your seniors who are currently studying in IIM Indore, IIM Rohtak. You can connect with them over a Zoom session, get all your doubts clarified, and make sure कि आपकी preparation अच्छे से align है to actually getting into an IIM. साथ ही में कोई भी आपका support related query है, you can just WhatsApp us on our number 74x9 17171, and you are sure to get a reply from that number within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, we will assist you. We will make sure कि आपकी सारी queries support वाली solve हो रही हैं without any fail. So support wise भी everything is sorted and preparation wise भी everything is sorted. ये सारी चीज़ें sorted होने के बाद आपका एग्जाम होता है, एग्जाम आप क्लियर करते हैं, and then comes the interviews. And interviews के लिए भी we are going to be there guiding you with all the interviews preparation for all the IIMs, so you don't have to worry about that. So all in all, anything and everything which is required for you to clear this examination is going to be a part of this course, which starts on 5th of August, is available both in online and offline format, and is going to be available with live classes as well as without live classes. If in case you have come this far and you want to enroll for this batch, I highly recommend you fill the form which is available down in the description if in case you have given IPMAT this year, or you can also use the promo code RESTART to get a flat 3,000 off on the prices listed on our website and start your preparation journey with us. If in case you have any queries, you can book a counseling session with our IPMAT experts, understand about IPM, understand about ACE IPM, understand whether taking a drop is the right decision for you or not. When you have a satisfactory answer to all these 3 questions is when you take a decision of taking a drop. And if you do decide to take a drop with ACE IPM, I'll see you on the other side. Till then, stay safe, take care, all the very best, and bye-bye.
Ready to ace IPM? Get started by going on aceipm.com, and over there you'll see a free counseling button. You need to click on that and enter all your details so that one of your future seniors can get in touch with you and clarify all your queries about IPM and ACE IPM. Thank you.